Hello, and welcome to the iPhone developer course. My name is Amir Janlu, and I will be your host for the entirety of this course. I've been teaching iOS development for nearly a decade now, and when I was preparing for this course, I reflected on those years to bring the best possible training for you. This course begins with the most basic of the matters and then deals with advanced topics such as cloud servers, concurrency, testing, and debugging. Another fold to this course is teaching everything that you need to be able to scale your knowledge. I could just go through a few applications. That would probably give you a little bit more confidence knowing that you have built one or two apps. But then knowing how you can expand on that knowledge would be almost impossible. I've seen that in the past, that new developers just learn how to make an app or two, and then they have to step back to learn the fundamentals of programming and app development. Instead of that, I opted to cover the necessary techniques and topics in each section thoroughly. Then, every once in a while, I stop to show you how to develop a real application as well. This way, when you're building those applications, you can quickly think about scaling them, changing them, or merely just drawing inspiration from them and developing your own content and your own applications. Finally, when you study in a classroom, there's so much that you learn from the mere interactions with your teacher. In online setting, that is not easily achievable. To close that gap, I try to look back at what I usually do in my classes, and I realize that I take a lot of breaks. And in those breaks, I often show my students technology, websites, or videos that are inspiring for both app development or general understanding of the technology. This way, the classes aren't just one continuous delivery of content. I've had students in the past telling me that they show up to the classes simply because they're waiting to see that cool website or technology that I show them. So I try to include the same approach in here. In every few lessons, we take a break together to view something interesting. And also, if you reach the end of each section, I reward you for your commitment by showing you something cool, like a cool website or a cool technology. This way, I hope you will be a little bit more motivated to complete the lessons and move forward towards the end of the course. So, a lot of fun and exciting stuff ahead of us. Let's get started.